Multiplying monomials by polynomials by Allison and Jair. First, let's go over some vocab. A term is part of an expression separated by a plus or a minus sign. A monomial is a polynomial with only one term. A polynomial is an expression made out of monomials or the sum of monomials. Let's start with 5y times 3y to the second plus 8. Step 1. Distribute. First we'll distribute 5y and 3y to the second, which is 5y times 3y to the second. And then we'll add that to 5y distributed with 8, which will be 5y plus 8. Step 2. Multiply. So we'll multiply 5y times 3y to the second, which is 8y to the third. And then we'll add that to 5y times 8, which is 40y. Step 3. Simplify if possible. So in this case, we can't simplify. So 8y to the third plus 40y is our answer. Now let's try negative 8t times 4 minus 9t to the third. The first thing we're going to do is change the subtraction to adding the opposite. So it will now be negative 8t times 4 plus negative 9t to the third. Now we can distribute. So that will give us negative 8t times 4 plus negative 8t times negative 9t to the third. Then when we multiply this, that will give us negative 32t, and multiplying this will give us negative 72t to the third. That can't be simplified, so that's going to be our final answer. Last but not least, let's try 10a to the fourth times 6a to the second minus 11. First we should again add the opposite instead of subtracting. Then we can distribute, and that will give us 10a to the fourth times 6a to the second plus 10a to the fourth times negative 11. Multiplying this will give us 60a to the sixth plus multiplying this will give us negative 110a to the fourth. And again, we can't simplify that, so this will be our final answer.